next year. Wish you more happiness. Balo ko halfway na ko. Karing goals na karing anak ta. One more for Sophia. And then you'll get to start to enjoy your life. Best, all the best. Good health. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita May. We love you po. Happy birthday, Tita May. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mary. We love you.
Pwede ko maging masaya ka ngayon. Ha? Ito mo. Kaluguran daw, kaluguran. Happy birthday, I love you.
I see your light shine.
She's very selfless. You know, she actually took good care of us ever since. We may not be complete like since I was 5 years old. At least ngayon talagang bumabawi siya to the best that she can.
Darating yung time na yung gusto mo sa buhay mo mangyayari. So it is na, ito na po. Wish ko more health, more friends, and syempre yung friendship natin, di mo mawala. You've been a sister to me, and yun po. I love you.
Watch it back in all its glory.
Wish ko mo sana mas dakal blessings mandatan kay kayo and to your family. Finally, magkuya yung mga asawa natin and tayo mag-ate. And happy ko kang adadat ang agagasnan mo kay yung ini and happy family. Wish ko mo sana long happy birthday. And for me, 50 is the new 30 na.
Hi Ma, of course, ngayon that you are already 50 years old, I actually don't have like parang pinaka-wish in terms of material things because we know that naman na whatever na na-achieve namin ngayon is we actually share it with you. Pero siguro ang talaga mapapartake ko lang sa'yo and yung mawiwish ko lang talaga sa'yo would be good health. And please always remember na nandito lang kami with you, hindi ka namin pababayaan.
Happy birthday, Tita May! Sa'yo ang beat ngayong gabi!
Happy birthday, Tita May. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama! We love you!
Thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa amin, mga pamangkin mo, sa amin lahat. And super happy ako na kumpleto tayong lahat, lalo na kayo nila Mama. Ayan. More Samji and coffee. And yun lang. I love you.
Right here next to you, I wanna feel something, something real and true. I wanna live this life right here next to you.
Sana lagi kang healthy at saka more blessing. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, stay healthy, stay sexy, and sana makanarating ka na ng US. Makasama mo na yung mga apo natin. I love you, Mars. Happy birthday.
This is our time.
Ma, ang wish ko lang po sa'yo na sana more life pa na makasama ka namin.
Hi May, welcome to the 50th golden year. We wish you all the luck and best and enjoy life to the fullest. Again, happy birthday. Thank you. Bye.